Number 5.
If you're not using the gripper in your workshop, what are you waiting for? The gripper is the only adjustable push block that gives you 3 directions of control to protect your hands, prevent kickback, and make better cuts. Downward pressure keeps your workpiece firmly on the table. Inward pressure keeps it tight to the fence to eliminate blade marks and prevent kickback. And smooth, consistent forward motion prevents burning on especially dense hardwoods. No other push block in the world offers this level of control, precision, and safety. Its powerful green grip gives you incredible traction on a wide variety of materials. The adjustable center leg allows the gripper to pass directly over the blade, controlling both the keeper and the offcut side of your workpiece through the entire cut. All with your hands safely clear the blade. The gripper is insanely easy to use. Just drop your balance support to match your material thickness and keep your gripper upright. Next, move the center leg over to the other side of the blade to control the offcut side of your workpiece. Keep your workpiece and your gripper tight to the fence and let it rip. Jackpot. With over 1,100 5-star reviews, the gripper is the best-selling, most wished-for table saw accessory on Amazon.com. So quit stalling. We've sold over 350,000 grippers worldwide. The gripper is made right here in the USA, and it's backed by our extended 3-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Work safer, work smarter.
Number 4.
Introducing the newly redesigned Match Fit Dovetail Clamps. It's just like the dovetail clamps you know and love, but with a few minor tweaks and this new soft grip handle. Oh yeah, that's nice. With just a 14-degree half-inch dovetail router bit, you can turn just about anything in your shop into a clamping surface. Make auxiliary fences, sleds, stops, hold downs, anything you can dream of, easily and without expensive T-slots. The clamp sits safely and securely inside of your material and, more importantly, out of your way. Another new design feature is the slightly narrower dovetail profile and a shorter head. The narrower profile allows for the clamp to move more smoothly through the dovetail grooves, and the shorter head distributes the pressure more evenly. This little clamp has helped thousands of woodworkers just like you take their craft to the next level. So if you've been on the fence, now's the time to get off and step up your game. Your shop is good, now make it great. Unleash your potential with the Match Fit Dovetail Clamps.
Microjig. Work safer. Work smarter.
Number 3.
The microdial tapering jig makes tapered cuts on the table saw, router table, and bandsaw with incredible accuracy and repeatability. It's designed to work with your grippers, giving you incredible precision and control. No more marking and eyeballing your tapered cuts. The microdial packs an astounding 112 preset angles down to the 1/8 of a degree, allowing you to quickly and accurately lock in your angle using one of the color match dials. If you don't know the exact angle of your taper, the other dial can be set to the desired rise and run. The microdial features 2 memory stops, allowing you to switch between 2 angles quickly and with 0 guesswork. It also includes a joining heel, allowing you to make straight line rips on stock without a prepared edge. Cut tapered legs for your next mid-century modern style piece, then bring it over to the router table and add some decorative detail. You want to make the same cut months or years later? No problem. The microdial will lock back into any angle down to the 1/8 of a degree. No other tapering jig offers this level of accuracy, safety, and repeatability. The microdial comes with our 100% satisfaction guarantee and extended 3-year warranty. Experience the difference. Visit us online at microjig.com to order yours today or to find a retailer near you. Microjig. Work safer, work smarter.
Number 2.
Many older table saws don't have a riving knife, an essential safety feature for preventing kickback. Yikes. Even a saw with a riving knife has its limitations. It can't be used with a zero clearance insert. And that's where the MJ splitter comes in. MJ splitters quickly and easily mount to your zero clearance insert, preventing the kerf from pinching on the saw blade, which is what causes kickback. They fill the entire kerf and keep your workpiece tight to the fence, minimizing burning and reducing the risk of kickback. When ripping hardwoods with unpredictable, potentially dangerous internal stress, the included kerf keepers auto-eject to remain within the kerf. This keeps the kerf spread apart and serves as an indication that you're working with reactive wood. The MJ Splitter SteelPro features an extremely rigid steel core and is available in a thin kerf and a full kerf version. They can be micro-adjusted side to side using the built-in offset to account for run out from blade to blade. The MJ Splitter SteelPro comes with 4 splitters, 4 kerf keepers, a drill bit, and an easy-to-use drill guide. Everything you need for a precise, hassle-free installation. Avoid kickback and make better cuts with the MJ Splitter SteelPro, backed by our extended 3-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Add to your cart and work smarter with the MJ Splitter SteelPro. Microjig. Work safer, work smarter.
Number 1.
Serious woodworkers don't play, so if you're serious about your craft, stop playing around and get yourself some zero-play guide bars. They're precision engineered to fit standard 3/4-inch miter slots using multiple opposing wedges that expand to fill the entire slot with a single touch. Building table saw sleds has never been faster. Nine times out of 10, when you buy a tool with a miter slot, the manufacturer includes a miter gauge. Some are better than others. You hear that? And that's why we developed the zero-play miter bar system. They quickly and easily install the sleds of all shapes and sizes. The top-down installation allows you to quickly square up your sled and make adjustments when switching from tool to tool. At 9.5 inches, zero-play guide bars can be used to build smaller, more convenient jigs, or they can be installed in tandem for larger jigs. The only limit is your own imagination. Don't just take my word for it. Here's what the pros are saying about zero-play guide bars. Amazon's choice and #1 best-selling miter bar on Amazon.com. 5-star review from Wood Magazine. Great fitting guide bar from Popular Woodworking magazine. Accurately dial in the perfect fit to a miter slot, no matter if it's for your table saw, bandsaw, or any other track, from Popular Woodworking. If you're ready to build better jigs and make better cuts, stop playing around. Zero Play guide bars are backed by our extended 3-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Visit us online at microjig.com to order yours today or to find a retailer near you. Microjig. Work safer, work smarter.